everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Derek Liu, Chairman of Blue Star Capital. Blue Star Capital is the investment company with a portfolio approach to investing in breakthrough sectors. We offer our investors risk-adjusted access to opportunities in esports, gaming, and NFTs. And as we're going to talk about more today, decentralized finance. I'm excited to be here today with Alex Wilke to talk to Blue Star's investment about decentralized finance. DeFi is a $100 billion market. Alex is the co-founder and CEO of our investee company, SatoshiPay. Alex, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Alex, we're seeing new business models in the crypto industry made possible thanks to distributed ledger technology. Decentralized finance, such as SatoshiPay's DTransfer, may actually be the most significant product to date. And we're hearing a lot of buzz about it. Can you explain exactly what decentralized finance, DeFi, is and why it's important?
So decentralized finance is about a couple of things. It's about automating financial services, but also decentralizing them. So there is no central player actually controlling those services, but decentralized servers and infrastructure is actually controlling this smart contract only, which is very exciting.
Well, that is exciting, Alex. And it's a space that's gathering speed and interest at what seems to be a rapid pace. Can you tell us a little bit about what's driving both the growth and the interest?
So I think the main point that is driving this this interest is the speed of innovation that's happening there, and also an environment where everything is transparent, including the code of the software itself. You have to be fast and innovative to succeed. And I think besides that, also that users can make an extra profit here with all the innovation is definitely an additional reason that raises the interest. I mean, there is more to that. There was the boom in crypto assets this year, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have seen NFTs coming this year. So there's a whole new audience coming to the space now. And then also looking left and right, what's possible here on the DeFi space. And of course, the growing trust of bigger institutions like PayPal, Visa stepping into the field is also creating and building trust into the whole infrastructure.
That's pretty exciting. I mean, it seems we're in a time with growing audience, building trust, infrastructure becoming more mainstream. The opportunity here seems huge. Can you give us an idea about how big the market is and where it's going in size?
So if we just look at the current blockchains and the market capitalizations of those blockchains. You see that the top 50 blockchains, even, they all have multi-billion-dollar market caps. I think even the top 100 blockchains, they all are above $1 billion market cap. This gives us just an impression about how much this opportunity is valued at the moment. And we've seen also this dynamic growth from 30 billion to over 100 billion of total value locked, TVL in short, in the DeFi space. So a lot more money is flowing in and a lot more users are coming to it. I think it will grow at the same speed as today.
Well, and that continued growth, I mean, how's that going to affect SatoshiPay? You talk about the top 100 blockchains having valuations of in excess of $1 billion. That seems to be a great opportunity for SatoshiPay. How's SatoshiPay involved in the sector, and what's your current products?
So we've been in the blockchain space since 2014, actually, so quite some time, where we were building the first payment channels on Bitcoin. We've seen also, let's say, the rise of new blockchains coming, and we chose Stellar as one of our favorite blockchains and our main partners that we are building with at the moment. The big opportunity we have with Stellar is that the fiat assets are very well connected. So we're well connected to the fiat world. And if we bring that over to DeFi, the users have very easy access to this whole world, because this is what currently is lacking a little bit. So to really join this innovative space with a crypto wallet and all this stuff is still a big hassle for most of the users, and a big entry barrier, which we want to solve.
That's exciting. Well, that's really exciting, Alex. Well, tell us what's next for SatoshiPay in this DeFi, decentralized finance sector, where Valuation market caps of over $1 billion are not uncommon.
So our plan now, having the financial part done actually with the private sale, which was announced last week, we're building the test net now of Pendulum. So Pendulum is the name of the blockchain that we're building now that we were raising money for. And with this new blockchain, which will be, well, it has various features. Especially, it has all the assets that we already have on the Stellar blockchain. So we'll work with these fiat assets and bridge them over to the fiat world. I mean, the next steps are on the technical end. It's launch of the testnet, becoming a parachain. There's a mostly technical terms now. It will be, I mean, we can talk about the definitions maybe of it. We want to bridge into the Polkadot ecosystem. So we are reaching, let's say, many different blockchain ecosystems and building bridges to them in order to have the most innovative protocols for the user and also for our own services that we can use. For example, DTransfer, our cross-border transfer service for businesses, can then also use this technology to make a very fast and instant and efficient cross-border transfer. So maybe one example to highlight this. So we're aiming to have an automated market maker on Pendulum, which is doing currency exchanges like you have in Forex today for 1 basis point of a fee for multiple currencies. So not only for the main ones, but also for some currencies, let's say when you want to send money to Latin America, Africa, some of the non-mainstream currencies.
Well, the opportunities for that, not just for DTransfer, but for other users of decentralized finance seems immense, Alex. That's really exciting news.
Yeah, I agree.
Thanks for joining us today, Alex. Exciting news for us here at Blue Star, obviously exciting news for SatoshiPay and for our Blue Star shareholders. Our conversation today really highlighted the size and the speed of growth of decentralized finance, and it's been a really good reinforcement, I think, for everyone that's joined us today as to why Blue Star is so keen and is invested in this sector. Thanks for joining us, Alex. I hope you'll come again.